Hey everyone, in this video, I will guide you through the process of adding your Uber income to your tax return using Wealthsimple. Be sure to watch until the end. At the end of the year, Uber should provide you with a tax summary or a T4A slip that outlines your earning and any tax deduction, its earnings and any tax deductions. It is important to gather all related receipts or documents for expenses such as fuel, maintenance, and insurance, as they can be claimed. Next, log into your Wealthsimple Tax account and start a new tax return if you have not already. Look for the section labeled Self-Employment Income or Business Income. Here, enter your Uber earnings under the gross income field as a share driver. You can also add business expenses in the same section. These may include costs like vehicle maintenance, fuel, insurance, and phone usage. If your vehicle is used for both personal and Uber driving, you will need to calculate the percentage used specifically for Uber and apply that to your expenses. If you receive a T4A slip for Uber, enter the details in the T4A section on Wealthsimple. After inputting all income and expenses, complete the rest of your tax returns and prompt it. Wealthsimple Tax will assist with any additional required fields or questions. Once you have reviewed your return for accuracy, you can file it directly through Wealthsimple Tax. That's the process for adding Uber income to your tax return using Wealthsimple. Thanks for watching.